Every single second, 12 Oreos are being created right before your eyes. Welcome to the world's largest Oreo factory, where automation meets perfection on an absolutely mind-blowing scale. 50,000 pounds of premium chocolate dough churning through precision-engineered mixers every single hour. 50,000 pounds of premium chocolate dough churning through precision-engineered mixers every single town. These industrial ovens run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, at precisely 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is where the magic happens. The iconic sandwich, perfected over 112 years. Spanning over 2 million square feet, this manufacturing marvel produces more cookies than any facility on Earth. Over 4,000 dedicated employees work here around the clock, operating in perfectly synchronized shifts. Before anyone enters the production floor, they pass through military-grade sanitation protocols. Cleanliness here isn't optional, it's absolute.
And what lies beyond those doors is nothing short of extraordinary.
Every single cookie is tracked from ingredient to packaging by artificial intelligence systems monitored.
It all begins here with the arrival of the world's finest ingredients. Specialized tanker trucks deliver fresh supplies every 15 minutes.
Specially milled to exact specifications. This factory processes over 500,000 pounds of flour every single day.
Sugar, cocoa, and vanilla are stored in climate-controlled silos, maintaining perfect conditions until the moment they're needed. Artificial intelligence controls the exact recipe ratios, adjusting in real time based on humidity, temperature, and ingredient moisture content. Perfection is non-negotiable.
Premium cocoa, carefully sourced from sustainable farms across 3 cocos, enters this facility daily.
These industrial mixers are engineering marvels, each one capable of processing 3,000 pounds of dough in a single batch.
Signature dark chocolate color comes from a proprietary blend of premium cocoa, a recipe that's remained unchanged for over a century.
Once mixed to exact specifications, the dough is released into the next phase of its journey, and the clock starts ticking.
Fresh dough must be processed within 23 minutes to maintain optimal texture and elasticity.
Precision rollers flatten the dough to exactly 4 millimeters, the thickness that creates that signature Oreo snap.
This single stamping machine creates 20,000 cookies every minute, each one an exact replica of the last.
Every detail of that iconic design, from the Oreo logo to the decorative border, is pressed with absolute precision.
High-speed cameras inspect every single cookie, analyzing shape, size, and pattern integrity in milliseconds.
Robotic transfer systems handle the delicate wafers with surgical precision, moving over 100 cookies per second without a single break.
Lined with millimeter accuracy, these wafers are about to enter the most critical phase of their transformation.
The tunnel ovens, 300 feet of precisely controlled heat, where soft dough becomes the cookie we know and love.
Traveling at precisely 1.3 miles per hour, each cookie spends exactly 4 minutes and 22 seconds in the oven.
Emerging at exactly 2% moisture content, the precise level that creates that signature Oreo crunch.
Before the cream can be applied, cookies must cool to exactly 72 degrees. Any warmer, and the cream would melt.
Now perfectly cooled, the wafers are sorted, tops and bottoms separated, destined to reunite with something delicious between them. Welcome to the cream department, where 30,000 pounds of signature vanilla filling is prepared every hour.
Each cookie receives precisely 4 grams of cream, measured by sensors accurate to 1/100th of a gram.
At peak operation, this single line deposits cream onto over 5,000 cookies every minute.
Then, the moment of creation, top meets bottom with exactly 4 pounds of pressure, and Oreo is born.
Every finished cookie is identical, a testament to engineering precision meeting a 100-year-old recipe.
Artificial intelligence quality control, analyzing 47 different parameters on every single cookie that passes through.
Cameras capturing 10,000 frames per second can detect imperfections invisible to the human eye.
Any cookie failing inspection is ejected in millishelves. No imperfect Oreo will ever reach a store shelf.
Human quality experts verify what the machines detect, sampling over 2,000 cookies daily for taste, texture, and appearance. The packaging department, where over 500 million individual Oreos are sealed and boxed every single week. The classic twist and check. Even in the age of AI, human judgment remains the final bide on quality. Robotic stacking systems handle each cookie with the delicacy of a surgeon, counting, aligning, and organizing at superhuman speeds.
Each package is hermetically sealed within 3 seconds, locking in freshness for up to 9 months.
Automated case packers process over 3,000 boxes every hour, each one destined for stores across 6 continents.
Every box is tracked from the moment it's sealed, AI logistics ensuring the shortest path from factory to shelf.
The automated distribution center holds over 20 million packages at any given moment, ready to ship worldwide within hours. From this single facility, Oreos travel to over 100 countries, reaching almost every corner of the globe.
Every single day. Powered by 4,000 employees, countless innovations.
From flour to factory to your favorite snack, that's the incredible journey of the world's most iconic cookie. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, and we'll see you inside the next factory.